Welcome to At Home with Music. I'm Leon Olguin, or as many of my students call me, Mr. O. Now, we've been working with basic chords, and what we're going to do in this video is work with the inversions of these basic chords to get you used to playing them. So I'm going to take you through a simple exercise on the keyboard where we're going to play first the chord in root position. And you remember that's where the chord is stacked with the C. Like say, for example, we take the C major chord, and C is the bottom note. So you got C, E, G. And then if we take the C and put it on top, now we have E, G, C, and that's first inversion. Then you can do that again and have second inversion where the E is on top and C, the root, is in the middle. And so I'm going to take you through a simple exercise where we play all the inversions of all the basic major chords. We'll start in C major and work our way around the circle of fifths going clockwise. So we're going to switch to the overhead camera and I will show you how this is going to work. So remember, here is the basic pattern that we're going to be playing to get you used to playing the different inversions of the basic chords. In the bass, we're just going to play a simple root bass note, starting with root position, first inversion, second inversion, root position, and then come back down, second inversion, first inversion, root position. Okay, so get ready, and we're going to play along. We're going to work our way through the keys going clockwise on the circle of fifths. Here we go. And now we've worked our way all the way back around to C. Now, if you really want to get adventurous, you can play it with both hands. Or just the left hand. The reason behind this exercise is to get you familiar with playing the different inversions of all the basic major chords. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you'd like to support my work, you can visit my Patreon page. I will leave a link below. Also a link to my website if you'd like to contact me directly. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.